Good morning to all students. Today I explain about it is the second practical, means that is the lab first, but second example that is some addition and product of a matrices, two matrices. Okay, see here. First you go to a first we go to a WX maxima, that is the maxima windows. Okay, see here that is WX maxima. You click double click, then go to here. This is the windows of the WX maxima. Okay, already studied this one. This is algebra. Okay, enter a matrices. We take any one 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay, I take 3 rows, 3 columns. That matrix name is that is A. Then press the matrices. That A matrix means that element is 3, 1, 2, 3, tab 1, tab 2, tab. Then second row 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Next third row that is 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1. Okay, then press OK. That is the A matrix. Then go to a second one, that is the B. Next go to algebra. Then enter a matrix. B matrix, that is also a 3 rows 3 column. The matrix name is that is the B. Then OK button. That is 2, 5, 1. First row is 2, 5, 1. Next second row, that is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. Next third row, that is 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Then press OK. That is the B matrix came. Next go to A, that is C matrix. Next go to algebra. Then enter a matrix. Then this is also a 3 rows 3 column. The matrix name is C. Then OK. That element is that is 1, 0, 1, 1, tab 0, tab 1. Then tab that is 0 to 1, 0, tab 2, tab 1. Next 3, 1, 0, 3, tab 1, tab 0. This is C matrix. A matrix is over, B matrix is over, and C matrix is over. Next come to A, the A plus B, A minus B. Okay, anyone you take. In your practical, that is first one, AC plus BC is equal to A plus B into C. First you do AC plus BC. That is AC, A dot of C, A dot of C plus BC, B dot of C. Then semicolon, then shift enter. This result is 40, 50, 11, 32, 22, 8, 60, 20, 12. Okay, this is AC plus BC. Next go to, that is B plus C into C. B plus C. First you type, that is A plus B or B plus A. Okay, A plus B into C. A plus B matrix is multiplied with C. Then semicolon, then shift enter. Okay, see here, this is A plus B into C. That result is 14, 15, 11, then 32, 22, 8, 16, 20, and 12. This is A plus B into C. Okay, next go to AB, AB minus AC. AB minus AC means you type A dot of B, that is AB minus, next AB minus AC, that is A dot of C, that is AB minus AC, then semicolon, then you press shift enter. This is the result of AB minus AC, 2, 22, 10, minus 1, 23, that is the 77, then 5, 17, and 19. This is AB minus AC. Next go to next one, that is A into B minus C. A into mean A dot of B minus C. You take the bracket, that is B minus of C. That is A into B minus C. That is the semicolon. Then shift enter. This result is 2, 22, then 10, minus 1, 23, 27, 5, 17, and 19. This is A into B minus C. Next, go to next one. Okay, this is your first practical. Second question. Once again, see here. First, we take the entire matrix A. Then A is the base matrix. Then B is the this matrix. And C is the this matrix. Next operation, that is AC plus BC. AC means A into C plus B into C. The total result is this one. Then A plus B into C. We are not using the star operator. You take only dot operation. Why mean? Star means the element-wise multiplication. Dot means that is row and column multiplication. Remember this one. This is the important. Star means the taking two any matrices. The element-wise multiplication means first matrix, first element is multiplied to a second matrix, first element. First matrix, second element is multiplied to a second matrix, second element. Okay, this element-wise multiplication star. Suppose you take dot mean that row is multiplied to a column. Okay, first matrix row is multiplied to a second matrix column. That is dot operation. Okay, this is the one example. Suppose we take another one practical. This is the new question. That is, you take a new file, means the new folder. This file. Okay, first go to a algebra. You know this one. This algebra. Just enter the matrices. I take here 4 row and 4 column. Already over 3 row, 3 column. No, I take 4 rows and 4 columns. The matrix name is that A. Then OK. We type the element, that is the 4 rows, 4 column. Element is first rows is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, second row is 0, 3, 5, 7. 0, tab, 3, tab, 5, tab, 7. Next, third row 2, 0, 1, 4. 2, 0, 1, 4. Next, fourth one, that is the last row, that is 3, 2, 0, 5. 3, 2, that is 0, 3, 2, 0 and 5. Next, you press OK button. Then see here, this is your A matrix that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 3, 5, 7. Then 2, 0, 1, 4, 3, 2, 0, 5. Okay, this is the A matrix. Okay, next take identity matrix, that is the I. That I means next go to algebra. Then enter a matrices. This is the 4 rows and 4 column. Row is 4 and column is the 4. The matrix name is I. Why I mean that is the identity matrix. You know that one. Identity matrix indicating I. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. Next 0, 0, 0. Last one 1. Mean the identity matrix means the principal diagonal elements are that 1, 1, 1. Remaining elements are 0, 0. Except principal diagonal elements, that is 0. Okay. Next come to here. This is question. A matrix is there. Then I matrix, enter the matrix is there. Okay. Create A matrix. A is there and I is there. Show that AI equal to I equal to A. You type AI, that is A dot of I. Then semicolon, shift enter. This is the AI value. Okay. Next go to I, then dot of A, then semicolon, this shift enter. This is the I value. See here, AI means AI value is first row 1, 2, 3, 4. Here IA value is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 0, 3, 5, 7, 0, 3, 5, 7, 2, 0, 1, 4. Then 2, 0, 1, 4. Then 3205. AI last row is 3205. Here I last row is 3205. That is the same. Therefore, the AI equal to I equal to, that is the A. A is also same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 3, 5, 7, 2, 0, 1, 4, 3, 2, 0, 5. Okay. This is AI equal to I equal to, that is the A. Okay. Next go to a evaluate. Next question, that is evaluate of A square, A cube minus 4 into A square plus 2A minus 3I. You type first A is there, B is there, I is there. Okay, next go to, that is I is there. Next go to here, that is A square. A square means, you know this one, that is A cap of 2. A cap of 2 semicolon, that is shift enter means, that is the A square value, that is 19, 16, 16, 50, 31, 23, 20, 76, 16, 12, 7, 32, 18, 22, 19 and 51. This is A square value. Okay, next go to next one, that is the A cube. A cube means A double cap of 3. Then semicolon, then shift enter. You press shift enter means, that is the A cube value. A cube value is, that is 201, 186, 153, 502, then 299, then 283, 228, 745, then 126, 132, 150, 336, then 209, 204, 183, 557. This is A cube value. Okay. We want A cube, then equation, final equation, that is A cube minus 4A square plus 2A, then minus 3I is there. Okay. You type here, that is A cube means A double cap of 3, A cube, then minus 4A square, that is 4 star of A square. A square means you take the bracket, then A double cap of 2, that is A square, then A cube minus 4A square plus 2A, then plus 2 into 2 means that is a star of A, 2A, then minus 3I, minus of 3 into I, 3, then star of I, that is minus 3I, then semicolon, then shift enter. This is the last equation, A cube minus 4A square plus 2A minus 3I. That value is 124, 126, 95, 310, 175, 194, 158, 455. Then the third row is 66, 84, 86, 260. Then fourth last row is 143, 120, 107, 360. Okay, you can theoretically also prove this one. Okay, practically and theoretical both are same result. Once again, I explain this one. This is the A matrix is there. Then we take the second matrix, that is the I matrix, that is the identity matrix is there. Okay, next we are operating the A square value, then A cube value. Then finally this equation, that is A cube minus 4A square plus 2A minus 3I. Okay, this is the example second. Next one, example. Answer on the example is there. That is, take a new file. Once again, you go to here, that file. Okay, the open new. See here. This is first go to algebra, then enter a matrix. Take a matrix, that is 3 row or anyone. Okay, I take 3 rows and 3 columns. Already discussed 3 rows and 2 rows and also completed that 4 rows also. Okay, this is the one matrices that contain 3 rows 3 columns, and that element is, that is minus 1, then 1 by 2, that is 1 divided by 2. Next third element is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Next second row 1 by 3, 1 divided by 3, then that is the 3, that is minus 1 by 3, minus of 1 divide 3. Next, final last row, that is minus 2, 0, minus 2, then 0, minus 2, 0, 1 by 4. 1 divided by 4. Okay, then press OK. A is one matrix that contain the 3 rows, 3 column elements is there. That is minus 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 3, 3, minus 1 by 3, then minus 2, 0, and 1 by 4. This is A matrix. Okay, next go to A, then another matrix, that is B matrix. B matrix means you go to here algebra, next enter a matrix, take a 3 rows, 3 column. Okay, see here, we take here 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, that name is, that is the B. You take any one general matrix. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, then 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, then 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, that is minus 3, minus 3. Next, last row, that is 2, 4, 2, 4, minus 2, then minus 4, minus of 4. Okay, then okay, this is the B matrix that contain here 3 rows and 4 columns. See here 2 rows and 3 columns. Then this one 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9, minus 3. Then 4, 2, 4, minus 2, minus 4. Okay, evaluate which one means, that is the AB. I mean A into B, then B into A, then B A square, B square. Okay, then B cube, one by one. Okay, first you go A into B. A dot of B, then semicolon, shift enter. This is AB. AB value is, that is the 5 by 2, 5 minus 9 by 2, minus 31 by 2. Next row is 9, 18, 18 9 by 3, minus 5, then minus 7 by 2, minus 7, minus 25 by 2, minus 17. This is A into B. Suppose we take A star B. See here, A star of B, semicolon, shift enter. This is the wrong. Why means here row is not equal to a column. Means we take 3 rows and 4 columns. That's why the element wise multiplication not here. That's why we take row and column. That's why we take A dot of B. Not take here star. Okay. Remember this one. Star means the element wise multiplication. Dot means row and column multiplication. Okay. Next go to here. That is B dot of A, then semicolon, shift enter. Here B dot of A. That is, this is also not correct. Why means the B means we take here 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows is there, 4 column is there. Then A means here 3 column is there and 4 row is there. That's why you write this is not a operator. Okay. Next 3p minus 2p. First you take p a square. Okay. In your textbook given p, I take here a. That's why a square. A cap of 2. That is a square. Then semicolon, shift enter. This a square value. Okay. We want 2p and 2 star of p. P means we take here a means that is 2. That is 2 star of A. That is 2A. Means A 2 is multiplied to A matrix, that is 2A. Finally, go to here, that is 3A square plus 2A. 3A square means 3 star 3A square, that is 3A square plus 3A square plus 2A. Then semicolon, then shift enter. See here, we did here some mistake, that is 2A means that is the 2 star of A. That is not only direct, not right direct that to A, that is 2 star of A. Okay, see here once again, 3 star of A square means A cap of 2 plus that is 2 star of A. See here the result is that is 3A square plus 2A is that is 1, 7 by 4, 39 by 4. Next row is 1, 33 minus 1 by 3. Next third row 8, 0, 11 by 16. This is 3A square plus 2A. Okay. Next go to next another one, that is B square, that is B cap of 2, that is B cap of 2, that is the B square that is this is B square. B square means that is the 2 square is 4, that is 4 square is 16. Okay, 6 square is 36. Okay, that is the B square. Then B square is over. Suppose in general we take that is 2A plus 2 star of A plus 3B, 5 star of B. Then semicolon. Okay. Y means we first given that is A matrix is that is 3 rows. We take A matrix that is 3 rows and 3 columns, and B matrix is 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, that's why see here what is that error means, that is argumentic must have a same formula structure. Why means we take first one is 3 rows 3 column and B matrix another matrix is 3 rows 4 column. That's why the error is came. That error means argumentic must have a same formula structure. Okay, thank you for all. Okay, next class we will take another one example, that is the practical number 2. Okay, thank you. Recording of it in stop sharing ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಐತ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಐತ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ